Do you know, guys, that trading the order block can 10x your win rates? Yes, I mean, you can increase your win rate by 10 just by trading the order block strategy mixed with the price action technical analysis. Once you have a good understanding of the order block strategy, mix it with your price action technical analysis. Believe me, you are going to 10x your trading success. Like, you are going to increase your win rate by 10. But the thing is that most people have different perspective of order block. Most of the people trading order block don't even know what it is. Some just know the name order block, but don't know how to trade it, don't know how to select the right ones that will work for them. So they end up making a lot of mistakes and losing so much, and their case become worse than it was before. So in this video, I'm going to take my time to explain to you what order block is, why they work, and how you should use them. Okay, I'll show you how you should select the ones that should work and the ones that should not work. Selecting the order blocks with the highest probability is the aim of this tutorial. Basically, we had a request from our Telegram group, one of us asking me to make a video on order block. Okay, so if you are not in our Telegram group already, make sure to join now, and please subscribe to this channel and like this video also. If you have any question for me, if I say anything you don't understand, go to the comment box, comment, ask me the question there on the comment box, and I will respond to it. Okay, so basically this video is just about responding to this question the guy asked. He made the request that I should make this video on order block, and that is what I am doing right now. You can see exactly at this point is it, please kindly make a video on liquidity and order block. So I'm making a video now on order block. I'm going to make it on liquidity also. Okay, so let's go straight. Let me begin to explain to you. Okay, so right before us here, we have two types of order block. The first here is the bullish order block, and then the second will be the bearish, all right, which we have here. The bearish, don't mind my writing, I'm not used to writing with mouse. So the bearish and the bullish order block, these are the two order blocks we have. Okay, now the bearish order block is not that tells you to sell, while the bullish is not that tells you to buy. Okay, so I'm going to explain these things one after the other. Take a look at this. This is our bullish order block. Okay, this is the bullish market. Initially, price was coming down, as you see here. Price was coming down using these candles. Then at this point, there was a reversal. Price reversed, and this was the last candle before it reversed, right? Then it continued moving until you can see at this point price broke structure. All right, so we had a break of structure here, and there was no other red candle. So this one here was the last candle before the break of structure. All right, so when you see this kind of thing, what we do is that we mark out all those we mark out the candle that is our order block. We mark it out just as I have done here. Then what you expect next is for price to pull back, right? we expect price to retrace back into this other block, just the way I have done it. Now when price retraces into this other block, that is where we take our sell or our buy position, in this case of bullish order block. Okay, so we take our buy position when we see signs that the other block is holding. We always wait for confirmation, something of this nature, change of character. You can see at this point we had a change of character, so we always wait for a confirmation before we can go ahead to enter the trade. All right, so it is the same thing with the bearish order block. First, you want to see price pushing upwards, right? You want to see price buying, and then at a point you see here price reverses, and then you want to see break structure, right? They want to locate the last opposite candle before the break of structure. Now the last opposite candle is this big candle here, this very candle. This is the last opposite candle, so it is our order block. All right, so you mark it out like this. After you mark it out like this, what you want to do is you want to wait for price to retrace into it the same way. Then you want to wait for confirmation, just as we have here. We have this confirmation here, which is a change of character. Then as price gives you that confirmation, then you can now sell the market, you can short the market, right? So that's just how it is done. It's a simple thing, but the thing there is that how do you locate the other block that work? Because in some places you are going to see a lot of other blocks, and some will not work, others will work. How do you locate the other block that will work and the one that will not work? That is what I want to show you guys right in this video. Okay, so basically I called out a trade in our Telegram channel, right? So if you are not in our Telegram channel already, make sure you join, because on daily basis I keep dropping free signals, like free signals, and we trade and make money together from the market. I drop free signals, free chart setups, and we all trade and make money together. All right, so make sure that you join the group. All right, so this trade, this chart you see here, I actually dropped this setup in the group and we traded it this morning. Now this was the point where we traded it, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to use it to teach you this lesson. Okay, so first of all, when you get to the market, you want to see the direction of price. You can see that here price has been bearish within this area. Price has been bearish within this area. Okay, so at this spot, you can see price breaking structure to the downside. Here price broke structure to the downside. Here gave us a high, gave us a low here also. So you really need to understand market structure if you are going to trade the other block strategy successfully. You need to understand market structure, right? You need to understand break of structure and change of character and know the difference. Now here we've gotten this, price has made this low. Then at this point, you can see what happened. Price broke structure to the upside, and that is what we call change of character. Okay, now let's see. When we got this stuff here, when we got the change of character here, okay, price went up and then came back, retested this level that was broken, and then pushed up again. When price pushed up, you can see what happened there, that it also did the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to be using my tool here. So price broke this structure here, you can see, and then after it broke the structure, we had an order block here. Basically price came there, you can see. That was where I took this trade. That was where I took this trade, and I posted it in the group and said that everyone should buy. Basically, that was what I saw. This is it. I want to get it. Okay, this is it here. Basically, that was what I saw. This is it here. It's a buy crash. 300. And as you can see, it was massive. Like, a lot of us made profit from the market. We made a lot of profit from the market. Look at this one. You can see. So what I'm saying is that I saw this and I knew it was going to work. So after we had that break of structure at this point, the other block here was it, and price came and took it, and it worked. Now again, we had another one here. Got a break of structure at this point. Got a break of structure at this point. And where is the other block? This is the other block, the last opposite candle before the break of structure. This is it, the other block here. And you extend it, see that that's where price came. This is how you catch sniper entry, guys. You can see how I caught this one exactly at this point. This is sniper entry. Okay, I caught it exactly at this point. We call it sniper entry. This is the only way, guys. There are no two ways you can get this. So know this, know it how it works, and find yourself making profit in the market. So the same thing happened here. As price came into the other block just here, you can see how it's immediately reversed and started going to the upside. So I didn't actually enter again here because we are already in a trade, still holding this one. So our take profit was around this level. That is 1:3 risk ratio. So you can see how price smashed our take profits very easily. Then another other block was formed here. Okay, so when this other block was formed here, basically I knew it was another opportunity for me to trade. So you can see that was when I entered this. I just waited for it. When price came, gave me price return there, it started reversing immediately. I did enter it. I waited for confirmation. So price gave me some confirmations here, and that is when I enter. You can see this is it, and it's still moving. I'm hoping to take my profits at around this spot, right? I'm going to take my profits here. So this is just how order block works. That's what order block is. Now, what are the things you need to look out for you to get the right order block, for you to select the ones that work? Because basically, if you look at this, okay, let me look for something. Let me try to get it. Basically, if you look at this, there was a break of structure here, right? And this was last opposite candle. But how come it didn't work? You can see that it didn't work. This was the last opposite candle here. But you see, price did not respect it. Why? Because it is in the opposite direction. Price is moving upward, and this one is giving it's a bearish order block. So you don't need it. You want to trade your order block alongside with the trend. Okay, you want to trade the order block alongside with the trend. You want to make sure that you are in line with the trend. You can see we have another order block here. We have another order block here, and that is probably price is coming to retest it. You can see as it's dropping. It's probably coming to retest this before pushing up continually. So you want to make sure they are taking only the other blocks that are in line with the price, the direction of the market. This is a bullish market because price is breaking strong to the upside. Price has changed character here. So you want to only take bullish order block. Bullish order blocks, those are the things you want to only take. Okay, that's number one takeaway. Just take note of these things. I'm telling you, these are the things that will make you take trades or trade other blocks that will work. Because a lot of people complain that they don't know how to select the other block. When they select the other block, it ends up not working. It will not work for them and they lose. So I'm telling you this now for free. You have to make sure that your order block is in line with the direction of price. Number one. Number two, you have to make sure that if you are taking this order block, that this is the first test of this order block. The first test of this order block is the surest one. It's the most probable. You are more confident that it will work if it is the first time price is testing it. But if it is the second, third, fourth time the price is testing it, the probability is low. The probability is low. So what you should do is to make sure that it is a fresh order block that has not been mitigated. Alright, that's number two. Now number three thing you need to know is that liquidity plays a big role in making your order block work. So you want to see a scenario whereby liquidity has been taken out. Now when we talk about liquidity, we are talking about these highs, these lows, these highs, these lows. These are liquidity levels. Because when you take a trade somewhere, you're going to place your stop loss above the high, around the high. When you take a buy trade, you're going to place your stop loss at the low. Alright? So this becomes liquidity levels. Levels whereby if price should get to, a lot of persons will be kicked out. So you want to see that price created such manipulation so that you'll be able to trade. Now look at this. Price came here, moved up. Okay, I gave us this, right? This was basically an inducement. This was an inducement here. This was a liquidity rather. So price gave us that. Then you might feel that price has detected the other block, so you want to enter. You enter here. Place your stop loss below. And you can see how price came back, took it out. Then it gave us another one here. Price gave us another low here. Started moving up. This is also an inducement. An inducement move, right? Then there was liquidity here. So price came, took out the liquidity. Then as it swept the liquidity, it went straight into the real order block. So this is the best kind of order block that you should trade, right? The one that have swept liquidity. Now the same thing happened here. When price came here, first of all, it gave us this low here. While you are thinking of taking the trade and setting a stop loss, price came out, took it out. Alright. Now it's moved again. You might want to take your trade here and set your stop loss below this. Price went up, came back, entered here again. Okay. Took out this low, took out this very low, and that is it. You can see it pushed up. That is what you want to see. You want to see something like that. So basically, liquidity plays a major role. Okay, so here price was coming, also gave us this level, there was low here, took it out, gave us this one, took it out also, and then entered the other block. Okay, so he has given us change of character here. Gave this, took it out also, came back, and then now it's moving. So I'm expecting it to move up to this level. Now it's a kind of retracing, probably into this other block. Now it's going to retrace into it, and that's when it will push up to our take profits. Okay, so this is basically how order block works, guys. Make sure you take note of all these things I'm telling you. Look out for them before you take your trade. It will help you massively to make you more profitable. But if you just trade any other block at all, you might regret it. You might conclude that it doesn't work, whereas it works. Okay, because that's what happens when we trade a particular strategy wrongly and we lose money. Come back to say that it doesn't work, but it's you that's doing the wrong thing. It's not the strategy that is wrong, but it's you that is wrong. Okay? So let's learn to follow the rules. These are the rules I've stated. Follow them. Make sure you are trading in line with the order flow. Make sure you are trading in line with the trend. Make sure there's a liquidity sweep. Make sure it's a fresh order block. These are the things that will help you. Okay? This is just what you should know about order block. Okay? It's as simple as that. It's not a difficult stuff. Okay? So thank you guys for watching. This is me saying make sure I trade your Confluence. Okay? Make sure you trade your Confluence. I want you to comment in the comment box here and say trade your Confluence. Yes, because most people, when they see this move, or maybe this, or this move here in between, or this inducement move, they know that price has not really touched the order block. They know that price has not really given swept liquidity. But because they see a move that looks like it, that price has started, and they'll be like, price might leave me. Price might leave me. Let me not miss out. Fear of missing out. And so they will jump in immediately. And as they jump in, price will kick them out. So make sure your confluences are met. So that's why I'm saying this, that you should trade your Confluence. Alright? Let me see you type it in the comment box. Trade your Confluence. When you type it, it is going to sink to your subconscious mind. Type it as many times as possible in the comment box. Type it multiple times. Type send, type send. Trade your Confluence. I will trade my Confluence. I will trade my Confluence. I will trade my Confluence. The power of repetition. It will sink into your subconscious mind so that it will serve as a deterrence from impulsive trading. Okay? So you don't trade at impulse again. Because what makes us lose money and blow up our account is impulsive trading. Trading at impulse. We are not waiting for price to meet your condition. You don't wait for your Confluences to be met. And then you are taking trades here and there, and you end up losing your hard-earned money. Guys, we are not here to lose money. We are here to earn. We are here to earn money, for goodness sake. We are here to earn money and not to lose. We are not here to pay the broker, but we want them to pay you. Okay? You are here to be paid by the broker. But how come you are the one paying them? It doesn't make sense. Okay, so let's trade our Confluence. Put up together a trading plan. Put up together a trading plan. I have a trading plan that I follow on a daily basis. For those of you who have been following me on my Telegram channel, you see that I don't take, these days I have not been taking much trades. I just take one setup or two setups in a day, and I'm done. And the thing is that I have been consistently winning. You guys have been seeing it. Like, I post the trades I take in our Telegram group. I post them, and we've been winning. We've been winning all together. We've been winning those trades. We've been winning them. You can see them. We've been winning. So trade your Confluence, guys. Trade your Confluence. Trade your Confluence. Don't trade at impulse. Let your conditions for trading be met. Then take your trade. The market is not running. Be patient. Be patient enough to wait. Price will surely come to your end. Okay? Price will definitely come to your end. Be patient enough to wait. Be patient enough to wait. Because it is only the patient dog that eats the fattest meat. Okay? But if you're not patient, if you are rushing, you want to be the first to enter the trade, my brother, you be the liquidity of the market. The first people that enter the trade, they always turn out to, they always end up being the liquidity in the market. And you don't want that to happen to you. I don't want it for you either. So I am encouraging you now, guys, do not trade at impulse. Do not trade at impulse. Do not trade at impulse. Make sure you wait for your conditions to be met. Then, once your conditions are met, apply risk management and hit the ground running. That is how we win in this game. That is how we stay consistent in this game. When you imbibe these principles, believe me, with risk management attached to it, disciplines enough to follow them, believe me, you are going to be profitable. You are going to be profitable. You are going to experience a financial freedom, a kind of financial freedom you've never experienced before. I am a living testimony. Like, trading has changed my life, guys. Trading has changed my life. Ultimately, financially speaking, trading has changed my life. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy at all. I won't lie. It's not easy. But it is worth the stress. Whatever stress in it, it is worth it. Trading is not easy. You have to learn it. You have to learn. That is why we run an academy. We trade, we teach. Alright? Our mentorship program is top notch. It's such that you cannot pass through our mentorship training and still not be profitable. Except you do not take it serious, except you do not follow the rules, you do not follow what I told you, do not follow my teachings. That's the only way you can remain unprofitable. But who will? Look at it, look at our mentorship program here. Look at the course outline here for our mentorship. How can you learn all these things? How can you learn all these things without being profitable? Mental orientation and reorientation of forex trading. Introduction to my personal trading strategy, which is the break and retest strategy. Pure price action, pure technical analysis, mixed with liquidity. So that's it. Other block is part of it, breakout block is part of it. Advanced support and resistance course. This is what I teach here. Basic and advanced market structure course. I teach this. Secret component of a structure that shows us the exact point price will reverse from. Advanced candlestick course. In-depth chart pattern course and the right way to trade them. Easiest way to do your top-down analysis. How to find top quality trade setups that will most likely hit your take profits. How to calculate pips and their dollar value. Lot size determination. Risk and money management. Trade management and how to stack up winning trades. Understanding and mastering your trading psychology. Turning your trading career into a global business. Continuous live trades and interpersonal relationships. Note, our mentorship sessions are held live via Zoom or Google Meet. We also have a pre-recorded videos on all topics, like all topics listed above. Time is always 9 p.m. Nigerian time. So guys, you cannot pass through these resourceful sessions with me without becoming profitable in the market, except you did not take the things I said serious. So guys, what you should do is to register for this mentorship. Okay? Register for the mentorship sessions. Believe me, the sky is only your starting point. The sky will be your starting point and not your limit. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. I am the Confluence trader and I trade my Confluence. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description box. Make sure you click the link and make sure you smash the like button for this video. And also subscribe if you have not done so. Okay? And don't forget to type that repetition word. I will trade my Confluence. I trade my Confluence. Trade your Confluence. I will trade my Confluence. I am the Confluence trader. Just type those things in the comment box and I'll be happy with it. As you are typing it, that is how it's sinking deep into your subconscious mind, and you begin to practice it and become better for it and become profitable and change your financial story. Okay, so thank you guys and goodbye.